Hey everybody, on this video, got a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox door lock from a junkyard. I got a key for it, so I decoded that. I have the key code and whatnot for it. Key works nicely. And let me throw the bitting up on the screen here. And then we're going to go ahead and use the 8-cut HU100 Lishi. We'll see if we can pick it. And then we will decode it. And just, see what we can match what key machine decoded here. So make sure we got it seated all the way in. Try to zoom in a hair if I can. Yeah, black background works good on these videos. I think I might need to get like a black rubber glove. And my hand may not mess the focus up, but hopefully everybody can see. And so got to figure out where the cuts are here. Okay, so I got odd or even numbers on the bottom going down and odd going up. Okay, there's no 1 cut, no 2 cut. Okay, there's a 3. 3 is springy. We go to 5. 5 is binding, so a little click on 5. A little click on 7. We go back to 3. 3 is still springy. And we'll go to 4. 4 is springy. Okay, 6 is springy. Okay, 8 is binding, so nice click on 8. Now we're springy there. Let me run back to 4. As always here, if it springs, leave it alone. Okay, 4 is binding, so I'm going to click on 4. Back to 6. 6 is still springy. 8 is springy. Okay, and 4. 4 clicked. It's not springing at all, so it needs to be picked a little more. Okay, and we're open. So got it picked here. Let me go ahead and reposition the camera and see if we can get a good decode on it here. Let me going up here, guys. Lock everything down. Try to zoom in again here. Let's go up a little more. And there's a little glare. See if I can. Switch light sources here for this. There's no glare on it. Okay, I think that's gonna work here. Alright, so decoding here. We knew there's no 1 and 2, so we will head over to number 3. And 3 is reading a 4. Okay, 4 is reading a 2. 5 is reading a 2. 6 is reading a 3. And 7 is reading a 3 as well. And 8 is reading a 1. So that's what we got here. And then if, if I were to run it through lock codes, if I didn't have a key, I'd be able to get the progression for it. But since we do have the key, we know that's right. So, picks it fairly easy. The number 4 cuts, you don't really have to pick. Number 3 cuts, you barely touch, they'll pick. And then, decoding it, it's dead nuts on. As always, questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And I've actually got 2 more Chevy locks that I pulled at the junkyard, so I'll make some more videos on those. I don't actually have keys to those, so we'll do the whole thing on those. So stay tuned for that. And that's all we got on this one, guys. Yeah, I guess that's it. You guys all have a good day.